What's up guys, it's Khaled here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy markups with Photoshop. If you're new here, this channel is about video editing, graphic design, filmmaking and tutorials. So let's get started. Select the rectangle tool and draw over the area you wish to mark up on your image. Right click on the shape layer and convert it to a smart object. Lower the opacity of the layer to see what's going on at the back. Now go to edit, transform and distort, and when done, hit enter. Take the opacity back to 100 and double click on the shape layer. A new window should open, and that's where your design is going to be on. Now save and replace the file, and voila, your design is now on the picture. And now here is your markup done and stamped. If your screen is rounded like the button of this phone, repeat the process with a little bit of changes. Convert the layer to a smart object and add a mask from the layer panels. Select your layer and get the brush tool. Make sure you change your foreground color to black. Remove the part you don't want from your markup and repeat the process. And now here is your markup done and stamped. And here you have it guys. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, till next time guys, peace.